Hey everyone, it's Dylan and Charlie from the Black Forest Wood Company. This week we've got two pretty interesting things to show you. We're building a 6-foot round sycamore burl dining table for a client in London, UK. So there's a piece of sycamore. That's the species we're going to be using for this. And it's also our first table going to London, so that's pretty cool. And then we've got a table that's going to Sylvan Lake here in Alberta, and they actually had us design chairs for them. So we didn't build any of the components for these. We just designed them in SketchUp and then sent them to our metal guy at Forge and our leather guy at Timeless Upholstery. They did the components, and of course we had to do a dining table with it. So the client was very pleased. It's fun to do those full furniture packages, and I hope you guys enjoy.
Is this bit sliding on the right side, right?
Looks better with the next layer on top.
Oh, I agree. I'm glad it was clear when you had the...
Okay, so one thing I want to show you guys about this job that we haven't really showed before is the design process and how we actually develop these chairs for our clients. So this was my initial rendering here. You can see we actually ended up going slightly different on the chairs than what's shown in the rendering. The only thing that really got changed is that you can see in this rendering I have the leather placed within the seat frame so that you can see that metal frame all the way around. Whereas on the actual chairs that we'll put up on the screen now, we didn't have that. Instead of doing that, we wrapped the leather around. That's what our client wanted. The seat frame is still the same size as you can see here. So all I do is I draw these files up in SketchUp the way I want them to look. For anyone wondering too, SketchUp is a really easy software to use. They have a free version that you can do just about everything with. I think it's their 2017 version is free. So if you guys want to dabble, you should check that out. But I draw this frame and then I send it off to Mike at Forge 53 and he builds these frames exactly the way they're drawn here. And then I give the frames to the upholstery people at Timeless and they complete that. Same thing also goes for the base. This is a steel X base, so we would draw this up. Again, we send it to Mike. We draw on our top plates where we want them to go for mounting. And he will build this base exactly the way that we have it drawn here. So that's just really nice about SketchUp. There's no figuring out, no guessing. And then furthermore, we can even lay in the slab that's going to be used. So this didn't end up being the exact slab that our client used, but it's very similar. And it really helps the clients kind of visualize how a given piece of wood will line up in their table. You can see we can even match up the end so they can see where their resin will be. We can get the real thickness of the table. And it's just a really useful technique. Like I found ever since we started doing 3D renderings, the sales are just a lot easier. Once you show the client this, they're kind of sold. So we haven't really done any tutorials or anything in depth on SketchUp in the past, but if it is something you guys would like to learn more about with our design process, just leave a comment below, let us know. And we'll start including this in more videos. Okay, so we just got on site here. We're delivering our client's new dining table. So we've got this nice steel X space, and then there's a Claro walnut tabletop underneath there. And then if you guys come around here, in the back of the truck, we've got these chairs that we designed. So obviously they're fabric and metal. We didn't build them, but we did design these. So Forge did the metal work for us. Timeless did the upholstery. And they should go really, really good with this table.
Yeah, there you go.
Good. You're getting out of work.
I'm a lazy ass.
So here is the first coat finished, at least on this 6-foot round sycamore table. There's actually some blue in this resin that you can't really see here right now. And one thing that I guess I want to tease a little bit is we do have a new product coming to our line. So we have resins, we have molds, we have ceramic. The next thing we're going to have coming is a finish. So that actually is what is on here. That's all I'm really going to say about it right now, but it's coming very soon, less than a month I would say, and we'll definitely have some videos coming up on that shortly. But you guys will see, we'll get the next few coats on this, and I think you will be very impressed with the way that this stuff comes out. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. Just showing you a couple different things we had going on. We've got a lot of really interesting projects that are in progress right now, so we haven't been able to post about them yet, but they are coming up soon. We have got one where it's a Air Jordan casting. A lot of you guys actually asked about that, and it's a 85 Air Jordan, so he's tired. A very expensive shoe. I think a pair of them in mint condition goes for around like 50,000 Canadian I saw, so it's very expensive. We did this furniture package as well with a bunch of L-shaped desks and a big conference table that's going to be done soon, so cool stuff coming up. We're just getting them finished up and really excited for you guys to see it. So if you stuck around till the end of the video, thank you, and we'll see you guys next week. And of course, he just froze there. Oh, there we go. Okay, yeah. Please leave a like. It really, really means a lot to Charlie. He actually told me to mention you guys that he wants you to like the video.